All right, guys, new project out in the garage. This is a 98 Dodge Ram 1500 two-wheel drive, 5.2 liter automatic. This truck, I picked it up. This actually belonged to my parents. They bought it brand new in 1998, and they've kept really good care of it. They babied it all these years, and they bought a newer Ford pickup, so this one's been sitting for a while. They decided they want to sell it. Today's project is the headliner. Headliner's been falling down on this thing for a number of years, and they just kind of never really worried about it, and most people don't. So it wasn't quite this bad. It was just bellied down in the middle, but I have sprayed it already on the other side. I'm trying this stuff. This comes from Advance Auto. Headliner and carpet adhesive. It says to spray 2 to 3 coats, 5 minutes apart, and then let it sit for 5 minutes and stick it up there. This shit comes out in a stream, kind of like a spider web looking stream. So I was standing over there and I was able to shoot. Well, you can see some of it made it all the way over here to this side. So what I'm going to do is, it was just bellied down in the middle. I pulled out and I actually ripped it. This thing didn't have a rip in it till I got a hold of it. So I ripped it here, ripped it on that side, put a little hole in this side. But what I was doing was trying to gain access. So like the interior dome light here, I thought I'd give myself a little access room there in case I needed to put the can up in there and spray around. I also did the same thing on the sides. I pulled it down on the sides so that I could spray up in there. And like I said, this shit sprays. It made it. I covered that other half very easily from that side. What is going on with my focus here? So anyhow, now I'm going to do this side. I'm going to spray. What the hell's going on with the focus on this thing? So I'm going to stand here with my spray can. I'm going to pull this down a little bit, and I'm going to squirt up in there, and I'm just going to hose it down real good up in through there. I'm going to use a piece of cardboard to kind of, what in the hell's going on with the focus on this damn thing? So I'm going to use a piece of cardboard when I get to the edge, and I don't want to squirt on everything else down here. You don't want to get this crap on anything. So use cardboard, you know, kind of be careful. But I'm going to do that, and it's kind of boring. So spray, I'm going to do 2 or 3 coats, 10 minutes apart, and then I'll start sticking it up there, and I'll kind of show you guys what it looks like when I'm done. All right, well, you see the finished product there. The first thing you notice is those wrinkles jump right out at you. I started at the back, and I kind of moved my way forward. You know, I sprayed 2 coats on, about 5 minutes between each coat, give it about 8 minutes after that last coat, and then just come in here and start sticking it up. Now, I had removed the dome light already, so that was sagging down too, so I wanted to line that up, so I lined that up, and I got the hole in the liner matched up with the hole in the backing, and then pressed it, and I kind of pressed it forward, and I guess I stretched the liner. This liner is thin, thin, thin. You will rip it and damage it just by pulling and pushing on it. You can see, I mean, there wasn't a hole in this liner when I started. Now I got these 2 little holes here from, you know, pulling it down at the edge because the molding was holding it up, and the molding had kept the liner from releasing from the backing. So I kind of pulled down the molding, pulled the edge of the liner, and that way I could gain access. And I ripped holes in it, just kind of pulling and manipulating it. I mean, it's a damn sight better than it was. You know, it was pulled down in the front, and it was flapping. It was sagging in the middle. I actually found a couple of tacks that were holding it up that I didn't realize were there before. So it's a damn sight better than it was. So, I mean, if you guys go into this with low expectations, you know, you'll probably be happy. I mean, I'm pretty happy. You know, the truck is 21 years old. The headliner is 21 years old. I didn't tear it to shreds. It's stuck back up there. It's not sagging anywhere. It won't be rubbing on your head when you're driving down the road. So I'm pretty happy with it. So it was like 13 bucks at Advance Auto for that stuff. And that's it for this project. So if you guys want to see me doing other stuff to this truck, click that subscribe button. If you like this video, click that thumbs up button. I'd sure appreciate it. Till the next video, guys, keep on tinkering.